Welcome to Naseems Accountants YouTube channel. If you run a limited company, knowing when and how to pay your corporation tax is essential to avoid penalties. Here's what you need to know. The deadline for submitting your company tax return is usually 12 months after the end of your accounting period. But your corporation tax payment deadline is earlier. You must pay your corporation tax 9 months and 1 day after the end of your accounting period. For example, if your accounting period ends on the 30th of March, your payment is due by the 31st of December. Missing this deadline can lead to interest and penalties. Each payment must include the correct reference number, which is specific to that accounting period. You can find this on your notice to deliver your tax return, in HMRC reminders, or in your business tax account under corporation tax. Using the wrong reference could delay or misallocate your payment. The easiest way to pay is through your business tax account. Simply sign in. Go to the corporation tax section. Select Make a corporation tax payment. Choose your payment method. Your details will be automatically filled in, reducing errors. You can pay using bank transfer, faster payments, BACS, or CHAPS. Direct debit, one-off payment. Debit or corporate credit card. Key points. First-time direct debit setup takes 5 working days. Future payments take 3 working days. Personal debit cards are free. Corporate cards incur a fee. Personal credit cards are not accepted. If paying by bank transfer, you'll need HMRC's bank details. Different details apply if you're paying from overseas. Always check your bank's processing times to ensure your payment arrives on time. When paying online, you'll receive an on-screen confirmation once your payment is submitted. Make sure you pay before the deadline. You use the correct reference. You allow enough time for processing. Paying your corporation tax correctly and on time is crucial for staying compliant. If you need help managing your corporation tax or deadlines, book your free consultation with Naseems Accountants on 01217714161 or visit www.naseems.co.uk. We're here to support your business every step of the way. Subscribe for expert insights on UK tax, compliance, and business updates.